Hi everyone, welcome back to Save and Serve with Steph. Today I'm going to be making individual size lasagnas for the freezer. You can make this recipe into a bigger regular size lasagna if you want to feed more than just one person. For that you would use about a 9 by 13 inch pan. But from there, I just want to also mention for the lasagna noodles, there are two different kinds. There's the kind that is pretty much pre-cooked, just ready to assemble, no cooking required. The noodles that I have here do require cooking in advance before assembling the lasagna together. This package that I have here is what we found best bang for your buck. At the end of this video, I will have a broken down cost analysis of all the ingredients, and then like how many mini lasagnas I had made, and pretty much total cost analysis there. So yeah, let's get started. All right, all ingredients are prepped. Let's get it put together. All right, there we go. I will continue filling up the rest of the containers till I've used up everything here. And then I will see you at the end of the video with the cost analysis of making this meal. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. See you in the next one.